Suzuki DF40A EVO, a truly spectacular and impressive machine. Let's go and try it out. This year, Suzuki really went all out. In fact, there's a new livery, or rather a new color called Stealth, in addition to the white and black, which you could already choose from. The EVO version is one that can bring many people closer to boating for one main reason, besides the technology, which we'll look at in detail shortly, thanks to optimization, production, and many other industrial factors. And thanks to Suzuki's capabilities, they managed to make an engine with the same quality as last year, and as always from Suzuki. But guys, at 4,500 euros for the white and black version, the price is incredible, including VAT. In this way, Suzuki wanted to make it possible for many more people to be able to go boating, to be able to repower their own boat. Maybe they currently have a boat or a dinghy with an old engine that consumes a lot and gives them a lot of problems with a very, very limited budget. In fact, there's also the possibility to finance 80% of the engine's value at zero interest. Well, that's quite an effort. Honestly, it was unthinkable. I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but I'm talking about the winter of 2025 to 2026. I don't know if you'll see it. In 28, 29, 30, I don't know. What price is this engine going for? Right now, you should definitely take advantage of it 100%. And why is that? Because they're crazy to set a price like this. No one has ever done it before. If you also want an exceptional price, an equally exceptional engine, all you have to do is write to us, call us, make an appointment, and book yours soon. Suzuki 40. But let's go and discover the grille, what it hides inside. I know, we're backlit, but don't worry, we'll take a really good look at the details later. I'm opening the grille. And let's find out what it hides. 941 cubic centimeters of this exceptional engine distributed over 3 cylinders, of course, with electronic fuel injection. A feature that many people might not think about or might underestimate is the charging power of the alternator. In fact, this engine generates a current to recharge the battery up to 19 amps. But the truly incredible thing is that it already charges 11.5 amps at just 1,000 revolutions per minute. So if you're a fisherman and you do a lot of trolling, don't worry, because while you're enjoying your favorite sport, it will take care of running and recharging everything on the boat. Okay, but enough talking. Let's see what happens with this fantastic engine. So I'll disconnect the ground. Safety can never be too much. Engine down, trim down, let's go, let's get on plane, go! Of course, the weight to power ratio of this Marlin, which is about 5 meters long, is optimal. In fact, we're cruising at 3,500 revolutions per minute at 17 knots, and it's really a great super smooth ride. The engine obviously can't be hurt, but let's also see what we can do at full throttle. Here we go. Let's really push it. It's like flying over the water. Brand new engine, we're not going to push it too hard. 27 knots, 5,500 RPM with an optimal weight to power ratio. With something like this, I almost have to laugh at the idea of timing, how many seconds it takes to get on plane, but let's check it anyway. So, neutral, engage the gear at idle. Engine straight, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, a full 2 seconds. We are currently on plane, and that's really not bad at all. All the technical information I mentioned during the video can also be found in the drop-down of this very video. If you don't want to miss any of our Nautica in Pilole episodes, sea trials, or boat presentations, all you have to do is subscribe right here to this channel. From a beautiful winter day here on Lake Garda, all that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.